Assalamualaikum. Good evening. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Agnia, and I am glad to be serving you as the moderator for the next few minutes at this group. As you can see our personal name in our slide. You'll be hearing a presentation from Olivia, Sylvia, and Hilda regarding utilization of orange peel waste in making jelly candy. But before we get started, I want to take a few minutes of your time to explain that this event will be divided into two segments. First presentation in 6 minutes, and the content is the purpose and the benefit, method of investigation, result and discussion, conclusion and recommendation. And the last one is question and answer. Without any further ado, please welcome Miss Olivia.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Here I will explain the background of this research. Introduction. Consumption of orange never has decreased because potential processed into a variety of products have high economic value such as jam, jelly, pasta, chocolate, ice cream, and others. From the processing of orange, it is produce orange peel waste that usually thrown away. Citrus fruits have a variety of content in the form of chemical compounds that beneficial amino acid, tryptophan and glycine, citric acid, essential oil like limonen, linolene acetate, granule acetate, phellandrin, citral, lemon camphor, cadherin, acetyldehyde, anildehyde, vitamin A, vitamin B. One of the biggest components in orange is an organic acid consisting of citric acid, tartaric acid, and ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Efforts to reduce negative impacts caused by this waste has often been carried out, among others, using it as a raw material for sweets that are also liked by many people. Candy is a snack that is loved by many people, especially children, because it has a sweet taste. The texture of the candy is divided into hard candy and soft candy. One example of soft candy is jelly candy. Next is purpose and benefit. Purpose, to use orange peel waste as jelly candy, to increase the economic value of orange peel waste, which is processed as jelly candy. Benefit, reduce negative impact caused by orange peel waste, nutritionist snack, business idea.
And the next is method of investigation. In this investigation, we need some ingredients and tools. The ingredients we need are mandarin orange peel, citric acid, agar powder, sugar, and water. And the tools are gas stove, frying pan, spatulas, slicer, knife, basin, measuring cup, and blender. And the first step, citrus fruit peel sorted then cleaned with the running water. They reduced in size and blended, then filtered and the volume measured. The second is mix the orange peel juice as much as volume. Its formulation with sugar 40 grams and heated to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. And then 9 grams of gelatin and agar were added. So that has been dissolved according to the treatment. Stir until thickened, then lower the temperature. And the last, add 0.3 grams of citric acid and allow to stand for 1 hour to room temperature. Then stored in the freezer for 24 hours later, cut into squares and packaged.
And the next is result and discussion. The result of the experiment were carried out by mixing 9 grams of agar powder, 0.3 grams of citric acid, 20 grams of orange peel, and 250 milliliters of water and orange juice. It contains 20 grams of orange peel and 250 milliliters of water to form a jelly candy. Gels are formed because when heated in water, the molecules of agar and water move freely. When cooled, the jelly molecules begin to squeeze together, solidify, and form a lattice that encloses the water molecules, thus forming a solid liquid colloidal system. And then the last is conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion: jelly candy can made from water or plant juices and gelling agents. Jelly candy is one of application of a solid emulsion colloid system, also we call it gel. The dispersed phase is liquid and the dispersing phase is solid. The jelly candy from the experiment has a chewy texture, a sweet taste, and a strong citrus aroma. A recommendation for this investigation is experiments were carried out using a comparison of water concentration and agar.
Okay, thank you for sharing. It was great to talk about the topics. The orange peels that we have been throwing away in the hands of the right people can become something of valuable. Okay, to all attendees, in case you guys have any question, please raise hand and open your mic.
Okay, my name is Filza. I want to ask a question. Could you please explain us the mechanism of colloid formation in jelly candy?
Can anyone answer Phil's question?
Okay, jelly candy is an experiment of the application of colloid salt to gel, where the dispersed phase is solid in a liquid phase, which changes when heated to a liquid dispersed phase in a solid phase. In the manufacture of adding gelatin, the use of gelatin serves to inhibit the crystallization of sugar, change the liquid into an elastic solid, and improve the shape and texture of the resulting jelly candy. Thank you.
Thank you for your answer, Mr. Andy. If you guys have any other question, please raise hand or open your mic.
Okay, thanks for your presenting. But I have a question. Please tell us some parameters that used to determine the success of jelly candy production.
Can anyone answer?
Heating, stirring to speed up the reaction, and the gel form will be more optimum, and a degree of acidity and acid pH will inhibit the growth of spawning microbes, so that jelly candy has a relative high durability. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your answer. I think it's enough. It's been a pleasure to host this event. So I'd like to close this forum by thanking all of the presenters and attendees for your participation in the utilization of orange peel waste in making jelly candy presentation. Good evening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.